Are you mispronouncing these words? Let's check it out. First, I'm gonna pronounce the wrong one and then the correct one. Pronunciation? Nope. Pronunciation. Academic? Academic. Opportunity? Opportunity. Epitome? Epitome. Mischievous? Mischievous. Liaison? Liaison. Development? Nope. Development. Wednesday? Wednesday. Plumber? Nope. Plumber. Tuition? Tuition. Iron? Nope. Iron. Data? Data. Economics? Economics or economics. And the last one, analysis? Nope. Analysis. How many of these did you pronounce correctly? Let me know in the comments. Follow for more. Toodles!